Okay, student, we will do this question. Here, first equation is px plus qy equal to p minus q, and second equation is qx minus py equal to p plus q. In this, you can check. We will use the elimination method, and for the elimination method, you can check. We will make the equal coefficient of x. Coefficient of x I want to make equal. For that, what I will do, to equation number 1 we multiply by equation 2 we multiply by p, okay, and equation 1 we multiply by q. So what we'll have, look here, first we will get when we multiply by first equation by q, we will get here pqx. Then second also we multiply q into q, q square y. Then pq minus q square you get. Second, you can check second equation we multiply by p, so this qx will become pqx. Second, py will multiply by p, then we get minus p square y. Then p plus q also we multiply by p, we will get p square plus pq. Okay, now we will do the subtraction. When we do the subtraction, there's a pqx and pqx will cancel. Here sign change will be, this minus will become plus, this will be minus, this will be minus. Okay, and here also you can see pq and this pq is cancelled. Now here y is common, so you can take y common, so remaining is q square plus p square and bracket close equal to y. And second side we have minus q square and minus p square, so minus you take common, you get minus bracket p square plus q square. Look here, both side is same, so you can cancel this p square plus q square, and this is cancelled by 1, and remaining you have y equal to minus 1, because this minus 1 or minus is also present here. Now y equal to minus 1, you have this y equal to minus 1, you will put in equation 1. In equation 1 you will put so what you get, px plus q, and place of y you put minus 1 and equal to p minus q. So you can check here, we have here minus q and this minus q will cancel, so what you get, px equal to p we will get. Now p and p also cancel, you will get x equal to 1. So you can see you get here x equal to 1. Question you can check here, ax plus by equal to c is given to you, and second equation is bx plus ay equal to 1 plus c is given. Now here also we will make the coefficient of a equal, coefficient of a we will make equal. For that, equation 1 you will multiply by b, and equation second we multiply by a. Okay, second equation we multiply by a. So when first equation multiply by b, what we get, a bx, b into b square y, and c also multiply by b, mean b c you get. Second equation we are multiply by a, so what we get, abx. Now second is a square y, then 1 plus c also multiply by a, means a plus ac equal. Now you will subtract here, what you will subtract, so subtract means this a bx and abx are cancelled, remaining we have that sign change. After sign change we have y square, y is common, so you can write b square minus a square y, and equal to, you will write bc minus a minus ac. Now y will be, what is y equal to, you will transfer this b square minus a square, so y equal to you get bc minus a minus ac upon b square minus a square you get. This y you will put in equation 1. In equation 1 you will put, so ax plus b, and place of y you will put this value of y and equal to c. Now ax will be equal to c minus this, you will transfer in a right hand side, and you take the LCM, b square minus a square is LCM. This b square minus a square you multiply by c also, so you get b square c minus a square c. Outside is this minus, and because of this minus all the sign you have to change, so you get minus b square c plus ab and plus abc you get. Now after that you can check here, b square c and b square c, these are plus minus signs, so this will cancel. Remaining from the remaining you can take common a, or this a is common. If you take common a, what you get, look here, minus ac, b and bc, and a you will cut from here. So x equal to, you get minus ac plus b and plus bc upon b square minus a square. So hence you get the value of x and y, that is your answer. This here in this question number 3rd, here two equations are given to you, x upon a minus y upon b equal to 0, and second is given to you ax plus by equal to a square plus b square you get. And from the first equation, x upon a equal to, you can write y upon b, and then you transfer this a, then you will get x equal to ay, x equal to ay upon b square you get. Now this value you will put in equation 2. In equation 2, in place of x you will put this value. So you get a bracket ay upon b plus by and equal to a square plus b square. Now what you will do, you will take LCM this b you will take LCM of these all. LCM of these will be b, and then you will multiply. So you get a square y plus b square y, that b LCM will multiply by these also. So a square b plus b cube also. Now you can check y is common here, so y you take common, you get a square plus y bracket a square plus b square. Here you will take b common, so you get a square plus b square. Now a square plus b square equal to cancel, so y equal to, you get b. Put in equation 3, that is x equal to a y upon b. So y, place of y you put b, here b and b cancel, you get x equal to a. So hence you can check the value of x equal to and y equal to, x equal to a and y equal to b you find. Hope you understand this solution also. First equation is a minus bx plus a plus by equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square, and second equation is a plus b bracket close and x plus y equal to a square plus b square. This second equation you open this, means you can separate with x and y, so you will get this format, a plus b x and a plus by and a square b square you can write. So you can change this second equation. Now these two equation you only subtract. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Subtracting means sign will change. So you can see here in the sign change, the second term is totally cancelled, and in first term x is common. X is common, and you can write a minus b, and minus a minus b will be here. Okay, and then last we have here a square is cancelled, and 2 minus 2ab minus b square and minus b square here also. So minus 2b square will be here. So you have this portion here. Now in the first portion you can check a and a is cancelled. So remaining is minus 2bx from the common, minus 2b you can take common. So this minus 2b and minus 2b cancels, we get x equal to a plus b. This x equal to a plus b, what you get, you put in equation 1. In equation 1 you put this place of x you put a plus b. So a minus b, a plus b plus a plus by and a square minus 2ab and minus b square you get. So this a is minus b and a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, you can write a square minus b square, and this you write as it is, this also you write as it is. You can check a square cancel, and b square and b square also cancel. Remaining is a plus by equal to minus 2ab, so you can write this y equal to minus 2ab upon a plus b. So this type you get the value of x and y. Hope you understand this solution. The question number 5th is here you can see first is 152x minus 378y equal to minus 74, and second equation is minus 378x plus 152y equal to minus 604. Here something is common, you can check, 378 and 378 is common. 152 and 152 is same. If diagonally these numbers are same, you will have one method here, that first you will here subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So you will subtract means you have to do the sign change. When you do the sign change, you can check, you subtract this minus will plus, and you will add these numbers, you will get 530 x and these you will subtract, you get minus 530y equal to 530. this you will divide by 530. So you divide by 530, you will get x minus y equal to 1, and from here you can write x equal to 1 plus y. This you will put in equation 1. This equation 1 you will put here 152, place of x you put 1 plus y, this minus 378y as it is equal to minus 74 is also as it is. You open this bracket and you will find 152 plus 152y minus 378y equal to 74, and 152 you will transfer and add with minus 74, so you get minus 1 minus 226, and here 152 you subtract this 378, you get minus 226y, and then minus minus cancel and this number cancel, y equal to 1 you get, and y equal to 1 you will put here in equation 3. So what you get, x equal to 2. So this type you get value of x and y, this value you get. Hope you understand this solution.